Hi, welcome once again to Passion Bistro. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a super easy and delicious no-bake blueberry cheesecake. Cheesecake usually consists of more than one layer. The crust or the base of the cake is usually crushed cookies or digestive biscuits or sometimes sponge cake. The main layer consists of soft cream cheese or ricotta. Here I am using cream cheese, sugar, gelatin. The vegetarians can use agar-agar, commonly known as china grass, in the same quantity as I am using gelatin. This cheesecake does not need baking. Simply assemble, refrigerate and enjoy the delicious cheesecake. You can make this a couple of days before a party or any celebration. Additional flavors and visual appeal may be added by topping the finished cake with fresh fruits or whipped cream or nuts or cookies or fruit sauce, chocolate syrup or much more. Now let's see what I have for you. Here I have 190 grams of digestive biscuit, which is about 22 biscuits. I'm crushing them to get a crumb consistency. Now I'm adding in 100 grams of melted butter and blend both the butter and the biscuit crumbs to get a spreadable mixture. You can see that we have got the perfect consistency. Now I'm going to spread this evenly in a spring form tin and press to ensure that the base is even. You may use a flat bottomed bowl or a cup to even it out. Place it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours so that the base gets nice and firm. In the meantime, I am dissolving 20 grams of gelatin or 20 grams of agar-agar powder in 50 ml of cold water. And mix it well to dissolve the gelatin or the agar-agar powder and allow it to bloom for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now moving on to prepare the cream cheese layer. In a pan, I am adding in 250 grams of fresh blueberries, followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 50 ml of water. I am cooking this on low flame, stirring occasionally until the blueberries become soft and the sugar is completely dissolved. Remove the blueberry mixture from heat. Here I have 500 grams of cream cheese. As I have a big springform tin, I am using half a kg of cream cheese. To it I am adding in 200 grams of powdered sugar and giving it a good mix so that the powdered sugar does not fly out and spoil the counter. With the help of a hand blender, blend the sugar and the cream cheese mixture until light. I am adding in 250 ml of thick cream to the cream cheese mixture and beat further. Here I am adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and will continue to beat till the volume of the mixture increases. Now moving on to the blueberry mixture. Blend the cooked blueberry mixture with a hand blender until it's pureed. Now fold in the pureed blueberry mixture to the cream cheese mixture and mix till well blended. Now it's time to add the gelatin to the cream cheese mixture. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of cream cheese mixture to the bloomed gelatin or agar-agar and giving it a good mix. If your gelatin or agar-agar becomes hard before adding the cream cheese mixture, you may heat it up in the microwave oven for 15 to 20 seconds and then add the cream cheese mixture to it. Now that the gelatin is blended with the cream cheese, I'm adding it to the entire quantity of blueberry cream cheese mixture. Give it a good stir so that the gelatin is mixed well with the blueberry cream cheese mixture. Look at this beautiful mauve color. That's what I wanted. Now I am pouring this blueberry cream cheese mixture over the prepared base that I had refrigerated. Spread it evenly over the crust. Tap it a couple of times to make sure that no air bubbles are present in it and our blueberry cream cheese mixture is evenly spread. Now this goes into the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 hours. It would be best if you leave it overnight. Now 5 hours have passed and it's time to make the final topping. Here I have 10 grams of gelatin or the agar-agar powder. I'm adding in 50 ml of cold water to it and mixing it well and letting it bloom for 8 to 10 minutes. Here I'm adding in 200 grams of fresh blueberries to a pan, followed by 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 50 ml of water. I am cooking this on low flame, stirring occasionally until the sugar is dissolved and the blueberries become soft. Allow it to cool slightly and puree it with the help of a hand blender. Now here I am adding in the bloomed gelatin to it and give it a good mix to make sure that the gelatin is mixed well with the blueberry mixture. Pour this cooled blueberry mixture over the refrigerated blueberry cheesecake. And now allow it to refrigerate for at least 5 to 7 hours. Now about 7 hours have passed. Let's check our blueberry cheesecake. Carefully open the spring foam tin. You can even loosen the cake with the help of a knife if required. Wow, look at this! It's so well formed and I'm getting the lovely fragrance of the blueberries. Now it's time to taste the blueberry cheesecake, which is one of my favorites. You can see that it's perfectly formed. Delicious. It's super smooth, melting in the mouth. It's a perfect treat for your loved ones. Here we have come to the end of yet another delicious and super easy recipe. Hope you liked it and hope you try it out and let me know in the comments below how you liked it and how it turned out in your kitchen. Until next time, stay safe, eat healthy.